All right, guys, 5-minute fix. This week is not so much a fix. I want to introduce you to a new product that I found. A gentleman reached out to me. His name's Pete. He makes a product I need, and those are the best kind of products out there. I have this 84R. Honestly, it's my favorite machine, and it's been missing tank scoops. And there's a lot out on the market, but none that are aluminum. And I wanted you to check these out. I wanted to show them to you, and I think you're gonna like them. I've tried some of the others. I just didn't care about how they fit. So I was excited to get these. He sent me a prototype version of these. So these are the first ones. So if you got one of these 83, 84 250Rs, and you're tired of wonky looking plastic scoops, put both of these in loosely first. Be sure you get a good fitment. And that's all there is to it to dress up your 83 or 84 Honda 250R. Follow that link there below to Pete's eBay store. You can pick these up for you. You can get them in red or black or even custom colors. And they are ready to go. That's what that machine was needing. And Pete nailed the color on that. Just a fine part. I've tried some of the other ones, and I got to be honest with you, I didn't like them. The fitment, the color, just not right. And for the money, I'd much rather have a metal scoop than a plastic scoop anyway. They're just going to hold up better. All there is to it. Well, Pete saw a need in the community, and he went out and he made them, and I appreciate it. He sent me, these are the prototypes. He did an excellent job. The color looks great. I think he did a really good job on matching them up. It's a solid piece for sure. So if you're looking for scoops, if you've got an 83 or 84 ATC 250R and you need some tank scoops, finding original ones are almost impossible. So when somebody comes along like this and they put in the man hours to make a product and bring it to market, give it a good look at. You know, check it out. I think you'll be more than pleased, more than satisfied with the results on this product. As always, thanks, like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.